Greetings everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to create Apple ID. Before you get started, please subscribe to the channel. So first of all, open up any of that browser. I am going to use Safari and then go to Apple ID at apple.com. If you are already logged into the site, you need to log out first and then tap at the arrow and select create your Apple ID. After that, we need to enter our first name and last name. Once we have done that, we need to scroll down a bit and select our country or region. In that way, after that, we need to choose our birthday. Just enter day, month, year. Scroll down at a bit, enter your email. If you already have your old Apple ID associated with some email, we cannot use a dead email, so we need to use an email that is not associated with any Apple ID account. Just enter email here, and when we need to come up with that password of the Apple ID, I am just going to tap at next and fill that down below. It says that your password must at least 8 characters in upper and lower case and at least one number. Once you have entered the password, scroll down a bit and then confirm it. And after that, we need to confirm our phone number. First stop top right here and choose your country and then enter phone number in the field. After that, scroll down a bit, enter symbols from picture and the text field. Scroll down and tap add continue. After that, we need to enter a verification code that has been sent to our mail. I'm just going to open my Gmail and then I'm going to enter the card in the field and tap at next. After we have entered the card from the mail, we can enter the card that was sent to our phone number in the same way. We can tap right here and then enter the code and then we tap at next, and after that we new Apple ID will be created. And then we can hop out browser and go to settings. On settings, tap at your name at the very top to get into Apple ID, and then we can scroll down and sign out of our all Apple ID, and then we will be able to log into a new ones using your email and password. That's how you can easily create Apple ID on your iPhone. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.